behind us, right there.
These guys are taking the tickets. And by the way they take the tickets, we can just see how the structures are. There is one part and there is the second part of the Undavali caves.
Okay guys, so it is saying
What
it is Indians 25 and video cam 25. Yes, guys, we got the ticket. Nevis having the ticket here.
Yes, we have the ticket, guys.
This is like. So guys, we are going upstairs.
Yes.
Wow guys, there's a lot of stairs.
These steps are not a normal. It's like very steep. It's like narrow up.
Okay.
And even this is having a different structure.
Wow guys, so good.
Actually, as this is a cave, from distance you won't understand all the details. But as you go
It's
near
just
and
a
near,
mountain that we saw from the other side.
This is
It's
one
so
single rock that was
Okay.
made into this cave.
Wow man.
See the corners.
They should have a lot of talent in making the nude.
Guys, let's explore inside of the Undavali
And
caves.
you can climb these caves also, like people
Guys.
can climb and go to the top of the mountain.
Guys, it's oh my god. Guys, there is small caves to inside. Oh my lord.
And the surprise is it's only one rock. Actually, I got shocked after hearing whoever worked
still
like that.
Yeah, it's just one rock.
These all pillars are just one rock, guys. They just carved the hill and made a beautiful structure out of it.
When the archaeologists came here, they thought that this belongs to 7th century. But later after
17th.
7th century, yeah.
I see.
But later after seeing the architecture, sculptures and all, they found that there is architecture that is related to 4th and 5th centuries.
Okay.
And as you asked,
There is that thing.
Guys, there's a lot of bats here. Shh. It's gonna fly this side, I think.
Oh my god.
I don't want them to disturb.
Nice.
Guys, there's a lot of bats here.
A lot.
Inside.
Don't
I
come
think-
out, okay?
Okay, that
If we keep a lot of light inside, they'll get disturbed and come outside.
Okay, guys, so we're going upstairs.
And as Gray asked, this is used as rest houses by Jain and Buddhist monks,
okay.
earlier back before Hindu emperors took this.
Okay.
This is used like that. And then they came and they built all the second floor stupas and all.
Okay, they built it, the monks.
Okay guys, if you can see a lot of letters, literature on this.
Guys, this is so beautiful.
Yeah.
Guys, there is this door is locked. I don't know what is inside.
I think it's a room. Somebody taking rest room.
Actually, I was able to read a few of the script on that thing.
Really? Where?
Yeah. You can read.
What? Never able to read those scripts.
Guys,
Wow.
I think this is Sanskrit. I think this is Sanskrit, Panduga and all are there.
Ah,
Yeah.
bro, that is Panduga?
Yeah.
Bro.
Festival.
Okay
Guys.
guys, this is the Sanskrit script which belongs to 4th century, 5th century and all. So you can have a look.
It can be any of the manuscript.
That time they wrote like this and still it is
I'm not
there.
sure if it's 4th century or 7th century,
Wow.
but it's way long back.
Guys, this is super amazing. The thing that we are able to read it is so good.
I'm not sure if
Wow,
it's correct
guys.
or not, but
This is so beautiful veranda. It's a really nice veranda. You can see the garden from here. The whole city is here. Visible, amazing. There's a really good veranda and a lot of beautiful sculptures. I think this is a pig. Bro, guys, this is pig only, right?
yeah, this is a pig.
Even yesterday, yesterday also I saw pig, this kind of sculpture in that Chitraduga.
And guys, if you can see, they remodeled, renewed this thing. You can see there is cement and all. They actually did a second layer of repairment for this cave. And a lot of changes are there.
Yeah.
Usually it will be there.
Guys, look at this. Beautiful. I love these.
I appreciate the artisans because in that year they did this.
Yeah, guys, you can see a lot of bats, being here. I can actually get the smell of bats from here. Guys, I think this temple is still alive. I think there's a lot of flowers and kept people are, these are their deities. So what all deities they have here?
They have Hanuman, and there is one more, I think in the next floor.
Vishnu, Ganesha.
And they carved the whole Vishnu lying down posture on
Guys.
this rock. I think it's on the top floor. We can see that also.
We can explore that.
It's very live, man. Still, people are coming here and celebrating
Yeah.
this.
Actually, you're getting some kind of positive energy from this place.
Nice guys.
For some reason, I'm getting reminded of Jackie Chan's movie, God of Armor cassette.
Jackie Chan.
Yeah, the whole cave.
Yeah, exactly, bro.
Oh my
Shit.
god.
Man, exactly. Guys, you must watch it, okay? Let us know if it is exactly like that. Guys, still there's a lot of deities, I think.
Yeah.
Most of the faces are, you know, are gone, huh?
Around
Yeah,
that,
and
these are
people do
completely
this.
new arcs.
Okay, people do these kind of things. Strange. Yeah, see, here you can see the exact difference. This is a stone and this is a cement, guys.
Yeah.
This is 8-roll back, and I think they have done some polishing also.
Actually, they are
Yeah.
still keeping this like that history and
We have a video.
Yeah, maintaining it.
Idols are
idols are kept.
Yeah, exactly.
We're not
Yeah.
supposed to enter the shoes there.
Olden days,
Yes,
they
yeah.
used like
Guys, look at this beautiful thing.
There is one whole like family scenario, I guess.
Shivan,
Everything
Parvati.
is faded.
Guys, beautiful place.
There is water.
I think this is also one of the place for a deity. Yeah, statue used to be here, but it is removed now. Which one?
I can see something moving.
It's tadpole.
Tadpoles.
Yeah, frogs. Don't fall from there, bro.
Tadpoles.
And this is kind of suicide point, guys. If you fall from this, you will
Suicide
die.
point.
It's not until now, but
Guys, there is 2 more floors, so let's go upstairs. Okay?
upstairs would be beautiful.
See, there is this cave, no? Which is very famous, which was built in one stone. Ajanta and Ellora, guys. It's just like that. There is a steps here.
The stairs coming.
Guys, we are going upstairs.
Somewhere it feels like
Guys, look at everyone coming.
We have one more floor. Amazing.
It is this big rope, man.
From here,
actually they kept safety things and all here for the safety
Yeah.
purpose. Otherwise people will jump from this.
Who is this? Any idea?
I think these are the monks who are here taking rest. Vyasa. Guys, there is this. I think these stone
Looks like
I heard
sandstone.
about they made from sandstone.
Okay.
So,
Guys,
the thing is we don't know what is sandstone.
yeah.
So yeah.
Guys, this might be one which is recreated or which is already here. If it is already here, this looks super new.
Yeah,
This is so new. This looks like it was built.
Renovated because
I think it was.
yeah, it should have been
It's a
renovated.
renovation, yeah.
Yeah, look at it. It's all, you know, they put a layer of sand on top of it so that it will be maintained.
Difference between first I went.
Oh my god, who is all these people?
Oh, there.
Yeah.
Everyone is different.
Everyone is different. The floor.
Walking also.
see that?
Really?
A lot of things. See the dotted scripts.
This is like camp break.
Guys, I think these are some games, you know, Goti games they used to play. No? Might be.
There are some meaning, some inner meaning which we don't understand.
Written in Telugu. I hope this is
Puzzles or
Yeah.
a roadmap kind of thing.
it's kind of a roadmap.
Or it's like a crop circle diagram. That looks like right.
Huh? Brain. Guys, there's a lot of opinions coming. This looks like a crop circle, brain, and a puzzle map. Okay, guys?
Guys, one more thing. These few of the names are written by the visitors here. So
Yeah.
their names and all, just like on the walls, how they.
Oh, so they written it?
Yeah,
What?
yeah.
We just got fooled. Okay, guys, so we don't know which is original here. So we're just skipping the floor. Okay, guys, there is one more big door here.
Here there is
This is a temple.
reclining position of Lord Vishnu.
Oh my lord. This is the most beautiful sculpture. See,
Amazing sculpture.
wow,
Lord
this is
Vishnu.
so huge, guys. This is his leg. This is this big. This is my hand. Okay, this is so big.
Lord Vishnu, guys.
Guys, I haven't seen such a sculpture this near to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Because such rooms are kept closed and not for visitors. But this is something that is so
Open to
amazing.
public and
Open,
behind
yeah.
the shine.
Guys, on the here there is his hand and all the
He is giving blessings to everyone.
yeah, Brahma and lot of gods.
We have a bell here.
And there's a lot of back
I just ring the bell. I don't know.
The bell.
You'll never get a chance to look at such idol this near.
Just
Even
touch
temples
it,
and all, they will not allow you to come this near. So this is the first time for me as great old coming this near and seeing
Yeah, and
such a big
touching it.
idol. Yeah, touching it won't happen.
Carved in granite. Whole thing is granite.
Okay.
And
So good.
There is sacrifice here.
Oh.
This guy is sacrificing this sheep. This
Ox. What is all this?
These are all snakes.
Snakes.
Yeah, lotus. This is lotus. Yeah.
Okay.
And those are the snakes. Okay, guys.
How was your experience seeing such a
great.
big Vishnu
Oh my God.
deity there?
I was at a time I was little afraid by seeing such a big idol just in front of me, because temples and all, they keep it private. They won't
Yeah.
let visitors to go that near.
this much near,
and it was so big, and the bats inside.
Bags were there.
Yeah, creepy bats. This is my second
are
time, but
everywhere.
I don't think first time I observed this much. I was in some other movie. Oops.
Oh, this is
Guys,
don't
wind.
do this, don't do
Wind.
this.
Yeah, don't do this. Whoever is it. Please don't throw. Nobody I can see, but yeah, let's keep it in the waste box
Yeah.
outside.
Amazing energy. Great place. Is there more to see?
Yeah, there is
there's
one
the
more
stairs.
floor. So let's go there. Okay, guys, now we are going to the. This is the third floor, guys. Oh my God, this is going to be the best view. Everyone is climbing. Oh my Lord. Guys, this is so good. Careful if you're having kids. Look at that kid doing there. Hey.
From here. This guy is super adventurous. Obviously, that is the way I thought I'm going to come upstairs. You'll get lost there. That's not the way.
Yeah, man. Actually, that's really cool.
Yeah,
we have
Let's
one
go
more
there
place
when we
away
are.
there.
Amazing,
Guys, it's a great view up here. I can see you in that background. This is super high, guys. We are on top of a hill.
Look at this part. Bro, this is amazing, huh? Look at the field. Look at
Yeah.
the trees.
Guys, on these sides you can see all this, beautiful sculptures. Yeah, guys, you can see the whole of Andhra from here. Can we?
The whole of Andhra is here.
Not really whole of Andhra, but guys,
The beauty of Andhra.
yeah, the beauty of the whole place is green. And also there's a lot of, I don't know, it's cabbage.
And you can see the shadow of clouds moving
Yeah,
from there
moving
to
from
here.
there to
So
here.
Good. So good.
So good, guys. And there is a lot of, brown areas are.
Yeah.
They are making it ready for the next cultivation.
So
I think the harvest time is over and it's,
Yeah.
it's now
It's
it's,
the next
a
crop
next
that they're
crop
growing.
they're growing. So it's the next season.
We can see thick browns and thick greens.
Yeah, guys, I wonder in the harvest time this whole place will be yellow.
You know what?
Like golden color.
Shit.
Exact gold. And in
look
this
at that
in
one,
this
still
place
shadow
you're
one.
watching it, it'll be like so rich, guys.
Yeah, it's
Wow.
so
What?
I am the god.
I am the god.
No, you're
It's a nice. It's not god place. I think it's a resting place.
If you get tired in the sun, you can come here and sit.
I think this is a meditation place.
Yes, can be.
Exactly.
Oh God.
Yeah. But guys, there is a lot of such meditation areas.
Actually, there
Wow.
used to be entry to go up by yourself, but I think it's not
It's
safe
dangerous
anymore.
also. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
not
it's dangerous.
It's dangerous, guys. It's told not to go above this.
Everywhere.
So no entry.
Above this.
Above this, no entry. Don't go. It's super slippery.
But this view has already satisfied me for coming here.
Yeah, it's filled my whole day, guys.
We should put it in the.
Guys, so good, guys. Our Fortuner is right there. Look at that.
Yeah.
I can see it.
It looks so small from here.
Yeah, everything is looks so small. Guys, this is an amazing
end
cave.
of the city.
This is just like, I won't say it's comparing anything with Ajanta caves or anything, but this is something that you must visit. This
Yeah.
is really gorgeous, guys, and a lot of hard work
Yeah, a lot
and
of
a lot of history. Yeah.
We are 3 floors. Each floor is created in different times.
Yeah,
Okay.
It looks
That's
like that.
why.
It looks different.
Oh, that's why. Oh, it is different centuries.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so we're getting down.
And there are few other paths that we can go.
Yeah, we can
inside.
go on the other side because there is also a lot of, sculptures. So we'll go check them out.
Careful. Don't hurry.
Great view, guys. Great view. It is the best thing that we can do in the sun. Great place.
In the sun though. Sun
Little saying not to the sun.
Vitamin D.
Okay, guys, so we reached to second floor.
So we're going to the other place and we'll check there how it is, okay? Where? Out there?
You can walk from here. How? That's how the guy entered. He entered here, not there.
Guys, we came down and there is one more cave which is underground. So we're going down.
See, what is that?
All the treasure is there.
Never saying it's all treasure is there.
It's so windy, man.
Lit will fly away with just that bottle. Wow. Guys, this place is so refreshing. Yeah.
Before, but not.
Bro, there's a lot of bad.
Oh my god, no, Corona.
Okay, guys.
Then this is a god place, guys. See the Deepam place.
The So I think this is where all the
the deities were.
the deities were, and people used to come here, pray and meditate.
I just
Wow,
want to go time
so
lapse
relaxing
and see
place.
how this place used to look at that time.
Relaxing place, guys. We still have a lot of steps, so I think there is something waiting for us in the downstairs, or there is guys, there is still a lot of sculptures in just the rocks.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Where to that thing?
Secret way is there.
Where does it lead?
Wow, guys. Wow. I don't think Lit can do it. Lit is AD. Lit is supposed to carve.
Carving.
And there is no
There is nothing there.
Yeah.
No, but actually, I think these guys used this idea very long before.
Okay.
Now, again, the plants grew and there is no.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there was a way here, guys.
Why?
What? Guys, there is these beautiful flowers here.
This is
Guys, this is nice chill place. Yeah, we're gonna sit and like take rest because we climbed a lot. Guys, we need to reach Araku Valley. I don't know when we are gonna reach there. Guys, super tired. Water is not there. So thirsty.
We just bought the
Yeah.
only windy
Guys, I think there is a shop out there we can get water from.
Yeah.
And apart from that, there is no zero places, okay? There is no other shops apart from that one. Guys, so we explored Undavali caves. It was really cool place, guys. We wish we had a lot of time to spend here, during the evening and just chill here.
We need to reach our destination.
Yeah. Guys, see, there is a lot of gardens out there, and yeah, there is a mini hike over there. Like you can just go like hike from here. Don't need to go directly.
Oh, there's a way there.
Next time, guys. Next time. Guys, it was just fantastic, mind blowing to see all this kind of sculptures. So we are going back, and we'll have some refreshment, and we'll get back. And yeah, guys, Araku Valley is our destination, so we have to reach there. Doing his things.
Anna, my peru?
Nani.
Huh?
Nani.
Nani.
Nani. Nani. Nani.
It's the hero.
Nana is father, guys.
Indian place like this and teach us.
So, part-time. Chia seeds, guys.
This give different taste to the flavor, guys. What is Sugandha? Right, the Sugandha
It's kind of a nutty root.
Roots.
Okay.
Roots.
Yeah. Okay, guys. This essence is made from roots. Wow. So he's taking the photos of everything, guys. Oh my god.
They're giving that much flavor.
This is so colorful. So colorful.
Very colorful.
Bright red, right?
Is there any variant? Only one?
More variations.
Sugandha, sweet lime, salt lime and orange flavor.
Okay, this all flavors. We have now.
Sugandhi.
Sugandhi.
Extra body.
Download అయిపోయింది.
Okay.
What all? This is short.
Sugandhi, orange flavor, sweet lime. See, this is soda.
Wow, guys, fresh soda.
Okay, one more he brought for us also.
So, have it.
We'll taste it. Very bright sun just came out of the caves.
Very tired, right?
Wait. How is it? Amazing. Perfect finish for the visit.
Everyone is standing in a line.
Yeah, man, I did something cool. Bigger.
This is a special here. This is butter Sugandha.
That flavors both are different. I never thought this mix will go together. First time.
Butter Sugandha. Yeah. Nice.
Can you
Never
put
thought buttermilk could be this good.
lemon?
How's it?
Flavor of
What?
buttermilk.
What kind of? What? I'm feeling like.
What is that? It's good.
Perfect for the weather. Okay, I'll taste. Okay, guys, we just finished visiting. Everyone had a taste. So let's. After walking the whole of the cave, we are like super tired. Like, you know, it's really hot and it's we are standing in the middle of the road also. There is no shade.